Hello class 9th. Today I am going to explain some important questions of chapter 6 for July assessment test. Okay. And now today I am going to start with this revision work of chapter 6. See the structure and germination. Okay. ना यहाँ पे आपको एक ब्रीफ आइडिया हो जाएगा कि क्वेश्चन पेपर किस तरह ना, इट्स योर फर्स्ट टाइम ना टू अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर इन क्लास 9th. ओके, तो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस टेस्ट और फ्रॉम दिस रिवीजन यू आपको बस एक आइडिया मिलेगा कि क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं, उनको कैसे करना होता है एग्जैक्टली. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नेम द फॉलोइंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द following. Okay, now name the following. First question, a monocotyledonous endospermic seed. A monocotyledonous endospermic seed. Write in one word. Okay. Second, a chemical used in experiments which absorbs oxygen. Third one, part of the plumule above the embryonic axis of the seed. Fourth question, a plant which shows viviparous germination. Third one, fifth one, that is the layer of endospermic or endosperm of maize rich in protein. Now sixth one, last one, seed. It is a 1 marks question. Okay, seed with folded plumule leaves. Now first answer, a monocotyledonous endospermic seed, that is maize. Okay. Second answer, a chemical used in experiment which absorbs oxygen. That is pyrogallic acid. Answer. Second answer. Third, a part of the plumule above the embryonic axis of the seed. Answer is shoot. Next, a plant which shows viviparous germination, rhizophora. Next, the layer of endosperm of maize, rich in protein, that is allurone layer. Allurone layer. Last question. A seed which folded with the folded plumule leaves, that is bean. Okay. Now answer 1, that is maize. A monocotyledonous endospermic seed, that is maize. Second, a chemical used in experiment which absorbs oxygen, that is pyrogallic acid. Next, part of the plumule above the embryonic axis of the seed, that is shoot. A plant which shows viviparous germination, that is rhizophora. The layer of endosperm of maize rich in protein, that is allurone layer. A seed with folded plumule leaves, that is bean. Okay, this is your first question. Now second question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. First one, in bean seed, dash grows faster. बीन सीड में क्या ग्रोथ करता है? फास्टर. एंड सीड आर and the seeds are brought above ground. Okay, this is first one. Now second one, B1. Dash is a protective layer of radicle and dash protects the rolled plumule. Okay, now first one, a bean seed, that in bean seed dash grows faster. क्या grow करता है faster? That is plumule and seeds are brought above the ground. ठीक है, seed कहाँ जाते हैं? Above the ground. Now dash is a protective layer of radicle, that is coleorrhiza. Coleorrhiza is a protective layer of radicle and coleoptile protect them. Okay, coleoptile protect the rolled plumule. Now C1, a seed is protected by dash and dash. Dash and dash. Seed किससे protect होता है? By the seed coat and testa. Seed coat and testa. Now next one, B1. Seeds absorbs water through what? Through micropyle. Which also helps in the diffusion of respiratory gases. And next one, wheat, rice and maize are rich in dash type of food, that is starch food. Okay, wheat, rice and maize are rich in dash food, that is starch food. Okay, and next question, It's a long question, okay.